Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is achy. 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 Achy is an adjective that describes a physical sensation of discomfort, pain, or soreness. When someone feels achy, they are experiencing mild to moderate physical discomfort that is not severe but is noticeable. Here are some examples. Example number 1, long flights can leave travelers feeling achy and exhausted. Why achy is used in example number 1. Achy expresses the physical discomfort after a flight. Example number 2, sitting for long hours at a desk can lead to an achy lower back. Why achy is used in example number 2. Achy relates to discomfort from prolonged sitting. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.